Khuborjylla Pibaro na donbosco media network yuan ra shipi ki Khuborjylla jong tayo baar jong Nailur arjar arpusa. Kimat bokong san hakini katayo kilong. Hadin khat arsi kajingat pilgrim litpai upop Francis Vatican Rome. Rakis ngiburom kenhun balang barit ko Parish. Da kajing shitraham shimenta ki Samla ka mairang ha ka retreat beshisin shisnem. Bat da kaminsim bathamai raikut ki Samla bandong ki sakhi jong kajingne. Bat mintangin pash ki Khubor bakham banya. Upop Francis ukli du ka balang Catholic ulapin kut ye kajingat pilgrim jong u shaki South Li kiri ki badon ha ka Duriau ba Pacific ki bakan THUP ye ka Indonesia, Papua New Guinea, Timor Leste bat ka Singapore. Upop Francis ulami na Vatican Rome ha ka ar tarik Nailur bat ulalit pai na Singapore siya Rome ha ka khatlai tarik por shiteng sngi khat ar arpusan baje dekaling sun kabalamang kerpang na kabenta jong u. Unpoy harum ha ka por henriu arpusan janmit ha ka por jong kari Italy. Kajingyat pilgrim jong Pope Francis shaki way pat kiri jong kaperthai ha kani kakinti kalong kabasaw pusan sin bat kabajrong tam na pedeng jong ki. Habarok South Li kiri ki bola lit jingo de ki pau hajar ngut ki pat ba ki la pediang buram yu niu nong yalam ka balang Catholic. Upop Francis ru ula kedup it bat kenjut kti ki hajar ngut ki breu ki balawan Khuborjylla yu. Ka Khubor bo Upop Francis ula pinsawa bat penpriang ha kini kajingat pilgrim jong u kalong kajinget kajingkermen bat kajing it habarok ki liang jong kalong breu man breu ha pedeng ki jat bandreu ki bakir tawiar saudong paramaki. Hakas ngi khatdo ahnong ba Singapore, Upop Francis ulay kendo iki kenhon beper jong kani kanong ba halor ki babun ki pang ki bayadei ba kajingitay markelyang ha ki imlang saalang ba kajing kemenjing ngosi. Ulay kendo iki bishop ki lingdo kinongelam jong ka bishop conference jong kiri Malaysia, Singapore bat Brunei ha St. Francis Xavier Retreat Center. Ulalit jingok ru iki mayit ki pait bar ki temen ki kru ki basyong ha ki ying sumar bekerpang bapeniat ki sister ka Teresa bakhoj ki bapet kerpang tang na kebenta ki bedok parangli. Ulapin kot ke program jong ha Singapore da ka jingelang bat jingemer jingmut ha pedeng ka balang Catholic bat ki way pat ki jat niam ki bedon ha kini kari ha hall jong ke Catholic Junior College Singapore. Kajingyat pilgrim jong Pope Francis hagini ki khat arsngi kalalong kabajab bat uladap da kajingkmen bat jinghun mensim jerun.
Bishop Zelensky, Monsignors, Reverend Fathers and friends, we are so blessed to have the Holy Father visit St. Teresa's home. It was founded 90 years ago and today we care for 200 residents. In this place, we have about over 100 wheelchair-bound seniors, and we are seeking your blessings. The 3 homes are from the Catholic Welfare Services which we manage, and St. Teresa's is the oldest, St. Joseph's Home, and Villa Francis Home. St. Teresa's will be relocating to a new, bigger integrated care facility called St. Teresa's Village. In this beautiful place, which is heritage listed, it will be redeveloped, which is a religious oasis for the Singapore Archdiocese. In this hub, we have, among other things, major archdiocesan organization, a convention center, retreat facilities, and a home for the elderly clergy. It is our honor and humble in humility to ask you, Holy Father, to bless this plaque for the Catholic Hub and also to bless the residents. Thank you.
Io saluto space, and I have many amazing youths with me. I also feel that this space is a bubble that does not easily get bigger, and that many of those who do need to humanize each other, unfortunately, don't come in as much. There are many armchair critics as well who do not There are days where I feel unworthy of grace, of love, of God's infinite mercy, and I feel like an imperfect imposter. And there are days where I cry myself to sleep, knowing that even as we manage to make headways in our engagements with our youths, somewhere else in another part of the world, there's global violence and the loss of lives in the name of religion. There are many armchair critics who do not join our engagements or care about this work, despite how absolutely important it is to see each other as belonging to each other and working collaboratively to do our best and give our best to each other. So my question is, how do we continue to foster this labor of love, especially amongst our youths of today who are figuring their lives out and who do not see interreligious dialogue as a priority, an important platform of pushing crucial and meaningful action in school?
Nailur arjar apusau ke Saint Francis Xavier Parish ke laraki ke sengi buram KBB kinhun balang barit jong ke Parish. Lawan ban kenti ke lama kini ke sengi da Father Caldinus Majau Parish Priest. Hakini ke jingraki belong de ke leadership training belawan ban hikai de ke Samla Saphira Khuborjylla, Samla Bilina Nong Besap, Samla Mina Yong, Kong Philomena Maulong, Kong Jenita Sun, Batu Babu Emri Kurba Catechist. Lapen kot ikani kesengi da kejing mani sakramen balayalam da upadar Caldinus Majau. Ha kesengi ke bobot ke bedi kesengi ublay la yok ban penlong ye kamas bekot balapen menta da upadar Caldinus Majau. La yok ru ban pen Khubor bat ajing pen scam syakin ribusan ngut kinong terejong ke kenhun balang barit KBB. Ha kenok pai sengi la pen syong shit syuk deki cultural program Gospel Dance but ke Bible Skit. Lepen hiaria kelama do Father Cutting Jeremiah, Assistant Parish Priest, rengkat ke jingedon lang Father Caldinus Majau Parish Priest.
Ajing shine, ajing shine, ajing shine. Turai pelenggat bati,
Kublai Kumariang
Ya baru ki nongkikam ki Presiden Secretary Senglapa Senglongmi berseng Samla ngapian sampai nongkikan jong ka Parish batunjuru jong kisur batisi ngapian sampai ye kerapa balang Secretary balang asal balang jong baru ki balang Shillong
Ke Catholic Youth Association Mairang Parish, kalapelong ye ke annual youth retreat arjar arpusau. Nadukkan retorik aduk ke pratorik Nailur arjar arpusau, St. Thomas Church Mairang Parish. Ye kini ke annual youth retreat lawan ban ajing hikai bajing kren do Father James Ternyang SDP, ubede u Executive Director jong Bosco Integrated Development Society, BITS. Hakini kilai sengi, ki kena Samla negi sub district beper kilawan ban shimenta da kajing shitrhem. Father James ba ajing kren hakini kilai sengi ula ajing mut iki Samla bakumno ke nyajan bat uble ula kren ru bagi Samla ki deban long ki bohusiar bha haki aka barok ki baki yakendo akajing emjangki kamtam hakum kini kejek menta babun ki kena Samla ki syak pengop gloy haki kam auria hakini ke retreat ladan palat pras pak ngut ki kena ki bawan ban shimenta hakini ke retreat haka sengi uturai ke sengi penkut yakini ke retreat lazang daga session do Father James bat la penchong shit bat la penhem ya ka minsim ki Samla da ka yero bat jing mani blay bat ki jing dua jing sha ha ka no pai sngi la don ka jing mani sacrament balayalam do Father Sylvester nongsi hadin ka jing mani sacrament la don sa kamas bakhot bala penmenta do phadar benki friding kharsim yong parish priest kamairang ha ka jing don lang Father Sylvester nongsi bat udikan jenis emli
Philippi, Chiti Chaki Philippi, Sao Khat Pra. Parbon kine kikam kiba kikam jong ki apostol kibon kine kito kibala ban i bila ban screenshot ya kane ane ban susim na kadur pai na kikam jong ki apostol Sao life ar adu life san nang ta Siti beningkong jong ki korin kan riu iwe du sao Siti baar si ki korin pra kendai kam jong apostol kat iwe arpunyo arpulai kini kecu ikabalong kumne kam jong apostol sao lai puar adu lai busan paro ki kren sapang ke kata ka jing kersan ke jong pi ya ka balang ha ka jing im ke jong pi tengam pen jrong chu henrei kato kene ki jing long mabha pan kersan pan mayarap ya ka balang pan kersannya kabalang umdai tang kapisa ni berkat pan kersannya kabalang mi ai pisa ni kersannya kabalang ru ha kicinglang ba ha jungi kata kemur pan ai da kicing i chau blay bat sya kabalang wadam ai tomat lane wan ai da kicing dom anrai ai da kicing i chau blay Matthews R for life kundai Hapo Yohanes lai kan riu kat pra Yohanes kat sau kat san Siti beningkong Yohanes san bat ar kini bero ki kren sepang kata kajing ai jungi yo blay bat jakabalang da kajing i pi ai jakabalang da kajing i pi ai jakabalang da kajing i ban ai da kajing keluj mensim
belajar Yedaya Kulai
Naduk kan riu turik aduk ka pra turik Nailur arjar arpusau ki Samla Catholic rang belang ki lepelongi ke touring program ha ka Shillong pendeng kse halur ka phang pedeng kitu ki bakermen hau try kin mare bat kin om that satya ya ka balashim nagi kitab Isaya ka lenong ka basau phau ka dukhat ka balai phawai ki sister ka Saint Bethany ki laraki ka pra turik Nailur kum kisngi buram ki khun kin thai lani girl child day kum ka jing ais ngobha bas bun bat bakerpang jong blay ha ki long ying long sem ha kani kasngi lekin mau e ru ya kasngi kha jong ka Maria ka kemi jong ujisu ya kani ka jingle buram ya kasngi ki khun kan thai la ple bat paniya the Reverend Sister Mavis Superior ka Saint Bethany ha ka jingkren ha ka jinglang bakerpang ha kani kasngi ka Reverend Sister Mavis kalabatai shapang ka jing koridor jong ki khun kan thai ha ki long ying long slam satlak ka perthai ki ying ki sem ki badon lang ki khun shinrang bat kan thai ki long ki ying ki barhem da ka jing et ka jing ya ma ka jing ya buram mar ka liang bat ki long ki ying ki bapura na barok ki liang jong ka long brio man brio ha ka ni ka sla perthai kumbala sandur da ublay nong bu nang thau ka laong hoot ki long ying ki badon tang ki khun shinrang ne tang ki khun kan thai ki long ki babha bat ki bajanai tang bha ki duna no ya ka jing benrap bat ka jing saat mar ka liang la dadon tang ki khun kan thai ne tang ki khun shinrang ka Reverend Sister Mavis kalayro ik dustur ka riti ha ka jat benriu khasi bat garu ki banyau kor bat e ringkat lang ye ki khun shinrang bat khun kan thai kat ba ha ki wei pat ki jat benriu ki don de ki wei pat ki dustur ki bano shiliang ha ka jing e khun jongki kalakin tu ki kemi ki kpa ban ple ki lat ki linti marshak klem da no shiliang shaki shinrang ni kan thai hadin ke jingkren la penbut sedeki jingile kai ne ki knarit bara Khuborjan met la pelong ye ke program thang mombeti penbet sintiu bat jing dwai rosari
So all of you, when you put the flowers, you look good, isn't it? Yes. And flower is giving you good atmosphere. You feel happy to see the flower or not? Yes. Yes?
Super power, super, 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 super power, super, 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 super power, Satan power, zero power, Satan power, zero power, Satan power.
bat da kini ki khubor ngila poi shikabukut jong kini ke THUP khubor. Ni ai ke jingkit bok ket wiang ni pi baro bat ba pindon ha ke jingkot jingkia pen chat pen klan. Ni kerpat ya pi bala don ki khubor baja ha ki Parish ni gishnong jong pi ba pen pa ne pen tip shingi hau teu number badon ha ke screen jong pi kenang bengindang la ban penmi man katayo ki khubor niam Khuborjylla. Khublei shibon ublei un kurku ya pi.